What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to learn prompt engineering for creating resume and CV template. So we're going to utilize Flow GPT. So I'm just going to type in resume here, and as you guys can see there are like many different prompts available related to the resume. You have tailor your resume, a resume summarizer. If you want to summarize someone else's resume, then you might want to utilize this prompt: resume editor, resume prompt generator. So I guess if you want to get the template for your resume, you can utilize that. Basic VN resume cover letter. What else? Resume editor. So there are like many different resume, right? So I'm just gonna type in resume builder like this, or maybe resume generator, right? There are many of them. So I'm just gonna click on this resume generator, and as you guys can see, this is the prompt. All right, so a pretty long and complex prompt. So I'm just gonna click send, and now as you guys can see, ChatGPT is running the prompt. All right. So okay, so this is the response from ChatGPT. Great. Before we start, may I ask what professions you're in? This will allow us to tailor your resume for your specific industry and increase your chance of getting noticed by potential employers. All right, so I'm going to type in data analyst. All right, so that's going to be our professions. That's just an example. So actually, I was an IT consultant, not data analyst. So here we go. Data analyst, excellent. Do you have an existing resume you would like to review or refine, or would you like to create one from scratch? So actually, I prefer to go with the second options. So I want to create my resume from scratch, right? All right, so here we go. I'm just going to hit enter. All right, so this is the response from ChatGPT. Great, let's get started by first creating header that will include your name, phone number, and email address. Please provide me your full name and the phone number and email address you would like to use on your resume. So it's going to be Chris Raharja. Then the next thing, my phone number. Well, I'm just going to use like a random phone number here. So 0876 35678. All right, just like very random number, right? And the email address is going to be fintrend@gmail.com. All right, here we go. Okay, cool. So now ChatGPT is going to process the informations that we input. Thank you for providing that information. Next, we will create a summary statement that will grab the intentions of potential employer by highlighting your most significant skills and experiences. Can you provide me with brief statements summarizing your experiences and skills as a data analyst? This should be approximately 2 or 3 sentences long. Right, so I'm just gonna type in I am a data-driven analyst who has expertise in data mining, data cleaning, and data modeling. I have intermediate skills in Python, SQL, and JavaScript. All right, I think that's it. So that's going to be my response to that questions. So as you guys can see, this problem actually is amazing, guys. Can you imagine like how we are able to have this continuous conversation? So ChatGPT keep asking more about our details, about our informations to build high quality resume, right? So great, that's an excellent summary. Now let's move on to your professional experience. Please provide me your recent work experience. It should include your job title, company name, employment dates, and a brief descriptions of your responsibilities and achievements in that role. Okay, so I'm just gonna answer this briefly. So my job title, it was technology risk analyst. The company name, I'm going to name it as company ABC. All right. I don't want to disclose my actual company name. Employment date from 2021 to 2022. All right. What else? A brief descriptions of your responsibilities. So I was responsible for handling clients' cyber security and data management. All right, so that's my responsibilities, or kind of like my job descriptions, and I don't really have any achievement in that role, to be honest with you. But all right, so I'm just gonna leave it blank. And all right, so here we go. Thank you for that information. Can you provide me with another work experience? So previously I was working too as data intern at company maybe BCD. All right, so I'm just not going to disclose the name of the company for some reasons. So data intern at company BCD, that's going to be the name of my company. And it was from 2020 to 2021, and I was responsible for uh, product data management and data extractions. All right, so that's like my responsibility for that particular job. Great, thank you for that. Please provide one lost work experience if applicable. Well, to be honest with you, I don't have any prior work experience, so no. That's all I got. All right, so that's going to be my reply here. Okay, cool. So now I guess ChatGPT is going to generate us the resume. Understood. Let's move on to your educations. Please provide me with your highest level of educations, including degree, type, major, and the name of your institutions you attend. All right. So this time, I think that's completely fine for me to disclose my like latest educations. So, bachelor of science, or maybe I'm just gonna type in like BS, Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics. All right, so this is actually my actual degree, right? From University of Washington, Bottle. All right, and I graduated in 2021. All right, with 3.6 GPA. So that's my GPA. It was between like 3.5 or 3.6. I kind of forget like the exact number. Okay, cool. So now ChatGPT is loading the new response. Lastly, let's create the sections for your skills. Please provide me with a list of most relevant technical and soft skills that you would like to highlight on your resume. Some important skills to consider including programming languages, data analysis software, and any other relevant tools or abilities. All right, so I'm going to start with programming languages. I'm going to highlight like 5 different programming languages that I'm pretty expert. So it's going to be Python, Java, JavaScript, MATLAB, and what else? Ruby. Well, not Ruby. I'm not really good at it, to be honest with you. So I'm going to go with R. All right. So R is programming language designed specifically for data analysis. I'm also good at data extractions, data visualization, and also data cleaning. Or maybe not. I'm going to highlight another thing, SAP. All right. Okay, cool. So now just wait. ChatGPT is going to generate us the template, maybe the resume template. So just wait. It might take a while. It might take you a little bit longer than usual. So just wait patiently, guys. All right. So now it is still loading. All right. So while waiting, I'm gonna let you know in the next video we're going to utilize prompt vibes to help us generating a new resume from our old resume. All right. So we're going to utilize ChatGPT to fix our resume. Okay, very cool, guys. Look at this beautiful resume. I'm just gonna scroll down. Okay, Chris Raharja, this is my phone, this is my email, summary, professional experience. Definitely a pretty cool resume templates that you can customize. Feel free to add any modifications to this. Yeah, you can copy and paste this to your Google Docs and save it as PDF or whatever. Yeah, education, skills, professional experience. Pretty cool resume, huh? Yeah, so I think that's it. That's how you use this prompt to generate you this high quality resume. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to utilize prompt vibes to edit or make revisions to your resume. So I'll see you guys there.